All right, well, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. This will be the third interior video. We did tear down in the last video. We tore all this out of the back and the bottom, and so we just got to get to this matting, but I think we have to get to it from the other side. So today we're going to tear the fabric out, get everything stripped, get all the metal off, get everything. It just needs to be bare wire, motors, vacuum, all that. And then we need to address the rust and see where we're at there. So we'll bring you along. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. I'm trying to get through the interior as quickly as I can so that we can get into the car, show you what I'm going to do inside there. Maybe we'll get to that in this video, but I'm trying to get these videos out to you. Boom, boom, boom. So you guys make sure you give me a like, subscribe, share it, turn on your notifications. It's all free. Comment if you guys see me doing something I'm not supposed to, or you're enjoying the video, just let me know. So thanks for watching. Well, we've gotten to this point, pulling the back cushion off. As you can tell, it's loading up again. It's completely disgusting. But you can tell how much of an invasion there was. But I'm having to cut each one of these little ties inside the chair. That's how good quality these chairs are. Everything that comes out is basically tied in there with a metal clip. So I'm having to take these cutters and cut these clips off so these nettings come out. I'm gonna tear it all out and then rebuild it. So we're gonna start working on the bench seat here. But this is basically what it was made out of. Just this netting with metal inserts. All right, so we got the back off here. As you can see, that piece is rusted to heck. And then, sorry, let me take my mask off. So you can see I've got most of the netting out. This is the hardest stuff to get out, but it's saturated. So I'm just gonna strip it all down to the metal. Springs look great. Everything looks great. Probably gonna get as much rust as I can off of it. You can see the pee and the garbage has just created rust, surface rust. So getting that all off, and then I haven't even started on the bottom yet because it's so disgusting. And then I've got buckets, I've got trash can almost full. Yikes, but we're getting there. So we're at a point where we're taking this center console out, or jump seat, or armrest. The screws are way up in there. Bolts are in there. So we're getting there. It's almost cleaned out. You can tell it's getting much better. Oh yeah. And then we're going to try to keep this form here. And then all this is going to stay. We'll just clean it out really good. This is really good structure for when we put the new foam on. Just all this top layer had to go. So look at how dirty it was. Woo. Gross. Okay, so here we are. I got the back off of it. This is the bottom. This is the seat. I got most of the fabric out of here. A lot of that's got to be clipped out. This doesn't look too bad, and it's not saturated as bad as the rest of it. I was going to try to save this, but when I look underneath it, it's gross. So it's got to go. All that too. Just more to pull out. So, and then we'll deal with the rust again. Like I said, I've got the back off here. As you can tell, the majority of it is just metal now. So we'll go through here and get one more, pull away from all the little things. Again, we're going to keep the springs. We're going to keep everything the way it is. Clean up the surface rust. Spray it down with, a rust agent. And then, do the same here. The bolts came out easy there, but the bolts broke off here. So we'll have to deal with that too. But all right, so we got the back seat out. It's just in the same amount of rust, nastiness. It's a lot lighter. No build sheet, it looks like, on the, this is the seat itself. You can see it's just disintegrated. And there, whatever material was here is no longer here. So, ugh. Gross. And then I've got this one all cleaned up. It's pretty sturdy. Now I put some lubrication on all the rust. And this is the bottom seat. And then this is, again, the top seat, it was just gone. So it's down to bare metal. I sprayed it out here pretty heavy. It's got a lot of rust on it. But I can come through here and just get all this surface rust off. Ugh. It's disgusting. Anyway, so let's get to this back seat. Well, we're back out here the next day. I didn't get all of the springs pulled out, but I will today. And I also went and got all the padding, cushions. You got all the tools to make it happen. Got the Rust-Oleum to take care of some of that rust. And then I'm working on this back piece, completely metal. Had material on it, and then it had this whatever, but you can tell it's got some rust issues. So we're going to be sitting here scrubbing it down, and then we'll paint it. And also this other back piece, this lip. Alright, well, we're to a point where we're going to go ahead and hit this with Rust-Oleum. Most of the surface rust is off. Hit it with a grinder, and a lot of this is just yuck. So we're just going to hit it up and get the first coat on.